In this video, let us understand how to make a 5-page simple website. This is a website design series. So we are at the 8th day. If you have not yet watched the previous videos, please check the description. The video links are provided. So you can watch them. So you'll get a lot of information like how to build the website. And today's video is concerned, we'll more focus on how to make a simple complete website with 5 pages and the proper navigation from one page to next page. Let us understand what are the 5 pages we can build. First is the home page or the main page, and next one is about us page. Next is the products, what are the products are available. Then gallery. Then next one is the contact us. So let us consider a small mobile company. For them, let's do this website. Then later, like no, once you know how to make all these things, you can always change this to whatever way you want. Even this complete 5 pages template is available for you. You can able to download. So please check the description to download the whole website. Okay, let's start with the scratch. I'll show you everything step by step. Therefore, you can understand easily. Then you know like how to build the whole website probably in half an hour. Let's start with. In a first step, let's create a new folder. Let's say mobile store. So this is a folder where you would like to keep everything. First, we want a logo. So let's create a logo in a Paint. So Paint is a very simple software to create any pictures. If you know Photoshop or any other photo editing software, well, you can use that. If you don't have any of such softwares, you can always use the Paint. Now we want to fill the background color. So I go to edit colors. I'll take some dark blue color. Add. I'll fill the color here. Then I want text. So I'll take the text. So select the font, what font you are interested, and then type the logo or your company name. So then you need to use the color, what color you want. You can choose the color. Okay, so now the size is not sufficient. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just cut this. Let me increase a little bit, otherwise I'll reduce the font itself. Let's say 24. Okay, so but even though you change because already font is at 28, now you have to make it 24. Okay, let's make it mobiles. We can make it in multiple ways, but this is the simplest one I can show you. But you can keep try and improve the logo design. So I'll save it as a PNG, then I'll go to D drive. So there is a website and the mobile store, and here you call it as a logo .png. Fine. So our picture is ready. Next step is we need to go to Notepad++ to create the file. So here I opened Notepad++. Here is the index.html. This is the HTML body tag, and this is a body tag, head tag, this is a head, and then title. So basic few tags are there here, but we create the rest of the tags step by step. Now if you go to your folder, you can see the two files are there, logo one and then index.html. If you open the index.html, so you can see that it's totally empty, but in a title we have a iBlix mobiles because we written the title here. Title is a iBlix mobiles, therefore it will appear as a iBlix mobiles here. Okay, so let's design the things. So first you want here image. This is src. So this is a logo one.png, and you want to give the size here. So therefore you can give width is equal to 20%. So but the advantage of percentage is when you zoom the when you resize the picture, is automatically picture is also resized. So now you can see that it's not working. So let me check why it's not working. Fine. So the picture may be okay. So here just logo. Here we given as a logo one. Okay, let's change to logo. Even spelling is very important. Right. So below that probably we can have one line, or what we can do is So we can have a navigation here itself. On the right side we can have a navigation. So if you want to navigation icons on the right side, then what you'll do is we'll keep this inside the table. So therefore table tag width is equal to 100%. Say border, we don't want any border, is equal to 0. And then we'll say tr, then td. So this is the first td, then slash td. Then you can have one more td here and then slash td. Now let's create all the links here. Okay, one is about us, td slash td. Copy this. So here for the about us. So next one we say products. So next one gallery. So next one contact us. Right. So you need to close the tier, then you need to close the table. So therefore just close the table. Now you can check how it looks. So if I refresh in this, you can see that this becomes small and here we have all the values. So here we need to check how much distance will be there and how much distance required for the rest of the links. So here we have the second TD. Here I can say width is equal to, let's take some 60% here. Now I'll increase the picture size to 40%. Okay, so it's taken 60% little high. So reduce this to 40%. Okay, now you can see that links are available. Now the logo over here. So if you want to increase the logo a little bit bigger, so let's increase to 50% now. Fine. Now what we can do is we want to put one line here, okay? In the center, one line for all the three. In that case, we want one more picture, a small picture like a straight line. I go to resize, so then I go to pixels. Okay, so this is 3 pixels, and then you can say 25 height. File, then save as PNG. Okay, so then this is the line 1. That is the name of the line. Okay, now we need to call that line in the code. So about us, after about us, we want that line. Okay, so therefore what you can do is you can copy the TD again. You can paste it here. Instead of about us, we need to use the image here. Image src is equal to line1.png, and then here you can give the height, how much height you want. Let's say 25. We'll see how much it looks. What is the height it looks? Let me check it out. So you can see that there is a line over here. So same way, the same line we want to repeat in all the, after every product, every link. So you can see that a line came in all the places. But we want to bring at the center. So in that case, what you have to do is, so here you have to align this to center. Whatever the text is there, you need to align to center. Therefore, the text is at center and the line will be also in the center. Sorry. So now we have a line at the center. About us, products, gallery, contact us. So and below this we want one more line. So for that you require a horizontal line. So I'll just go here, I'll go to resize pixels. This I'll take 20 and then vertical 3. Okay, a small line will be created, save as V line 1. So I'll just create a table again, because this is a one single column you required. Okay, so therefore what I'll do is I'll take out everything, and this TD also I don't require, TR. Okay, this whole table I'll keep it in a single line. Okay, so now this is vline1.png and width is 100% end to end. So we create a table and in that we have only one row here. Now we'll see what will happen. Okay, so now the height is more, so we only specify the width here. Then you can write height is equal to 3 pixels. So now we have a line over there. So here we'll put some picture. So we already have one picture, mobile phone picture. That one only I'll take from the other this thing. So this is a pic one. I'll copy from that, which is already copied. I'll take to this side, this folder. So this is a pic one. If I go to edit, I'll see what is this picture is. So this is the picture. Okay, let us use this picture only. This is a pic one. I'll say image src, that is equal to pic1.png, and then width is equal to 100%. Okay, so this makes our main page. So these all the things is there in the main page. Now we need to provide a link to these pages. So therefore when I click about us, it should go to about us. When I click products, it should go to products, gallery, and then contact us. For that you require another 4 files. In all the 4 files, these top things are same. Only the bottom, like this one is changing, pictures are changed, or we can redesign this. Therefore what we can do is, first you need to create all the files, or you need to establish the anchor. So therefore you can say a anchor href, so that is equal to, you write about.htm, then you have to close the anchor slash a, right. So now again for product a href, that is equal to product.htm. So you have to give the file name as a product only, then slash a. Same you have to complete the rest of the thing. So we made a link here. So this is the anchor link. So when I click about us, you should go to about.htm. When I click on products, you should go to product.htm. When you click on gallery, you should go to gallery.htm. When I click on contact, it should go to contact.htm. Now what we'll do is we'll save everything. You go to file menu, say save as. So first thing is you need to make as a about.htm. So type as about.htm and then save. So next one product.htm. So therefore go to file menu, save as product.htm. Next you go to file menu, then say save as gallery.htm. So now you can have a contact. So this is contact.htm. So now you can see that there are totally 5 files out there. Totally we have 5 files. Now if you come back to here and if you refresh this, now you can see that all are in blue color, means that now we can able to establish the link. If you click about us, it will go to about us, product, gallery, contact us. But the page looks like same because we have not edited the page. We only made every link to work. And when I click on this, it should come back to main page. That we are not done actually. So now we need to go to every page and then you have to change here. So instead of that, what we can do is, so here is the picture. Here also you have to provide an anchor a href. So this is index.htm, because when you click the logo, so it should come back to main page slash a. So this is the contact page save. Again you have to say save as about. Again file save as contact. file, save as gallery, then file, save as product. Now what will happen? So if you go to about us, again if you see that on mobile, if you click, sorry, when you bring the cursor to this logo, you can able to come back to main page. So when you are index, so here it will be regular cursor, but if you go to any of the other pages, then the cursor will be link cursor, therefore you can click on that. So we'll come back to index.html. Now we need to edit them, so we go to about us. Okay, so let's take about us. This is about.html. So here instead of this picture, we need to write the about us code. Fine. So what I'll do is I'll just take the table as it is. So this is a tier table. So now I'll take out this picture. Okay, let the picture be there. Here you can say slash td, then td image. So we want some more pictures. So about some mobile phone. So I just go to Google Pictures. Let's say mobile about us. Okay, so for only for dummy purpose, we'll take this picture, and then we'll take to this page, and then we'll paste it here. Okay, so we'll take only this much. Now save the picture. So you need to design the picture something like this for your website. Okay, I just make a dummy website. So if I just take one picture, I'll use this one only. So this is about one, or I can say a1.png. Now the file name is a1.png. So now this picture we want to use it here. So therefore you can write a1.png. Width this time I will reduce that to 60%. And this first TD width will take 50%. Okay, so this second one 50%, first one width, like no table, you have a table row, in the first column 50%, second column 50%, then within 50% let it be 100%, there is no problem, and this height is not required, we'll take out the height. Now let's look at how our about us page looks like. So this is what about us page looks like. Let me bring this picture a little down. So you have to bring the picture down. Okay, so you can use some BR here. So here we'll provide a break. So now you can see there is a gap here. Let's bring down. So here we can write some text. To write the text, we go to this TD. Here you can write. So let's say H1. This is about us, H1. So here you can have a break, BR. Okay, I'll put some text over here. So here we can paste some text. So you can use page here, page tag. Sorry. Okay, right. I'll delete this. So I have some text here. So save this. Now if I refresh this, you can see that the text will come over here. So this is about the about us page. Now when I click products, so we need to put the products over here. So we'll copy some pictures and then we'll put the pictures in this particular page. There is a product.html. So this is the product page. So you can have a table here. So up to that is a common heading. So this is vertical line. So this is a table for vertical line. So now here is a table and you are closing the table here. This is the first product. This is the first product it is. Above that we are giving some space here because otherwise it's merging one to one. So again there is a space here and then again second product details. So now if I refresh this page, this is how it looks. So can I keep on entering more products? When we scroll down, we can able to see all the products. And we can also redesign with some box and all these things possible. So I'll just show you some basic things now. So next is the gallery. If we go to gallery, so some pictures we want to show here. Because the mobile phones, we can show mobile phone or our showroom or discount or advertisement, whatever you given. All this we can show it in the gallery. So for gallery required pictures, so first you need to download the pictures. We have G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6. Totally 6 pictures we downloaded. And here is the table. We take a 60% and the width is 60% align center, bar is equal to 0. So that means only 60% of the whole screen will occupy for this. Next, for small space, we are using the height of 10 with the column span 2. That means 2 columns are there. We use the column span 2, therefore it will occupy the whole row. So here is the first image, this G1 width is 100%, but whereas column width is 50%. So here also column width 50% and the picture width is 100%. So we need to repeat the same for 3 lines, and if you want more images, you have to keep on repeat the same. Right. So once you save this and if you come back to the browser, if you refresh, you can see that this is how you can see the gallery. So here for each row there are 2 pictures. Okay. So you can collect a lot of pictures and then you can put it over there. So user can scroll, or you can make it 100% also. So we can make it a full screen. So if you want to make it full screen or near full screen, then you can increase to 80%. Now you can see that automatically it will increase to 80%. So pictures becomes automatically become. So if you make it 100%, then whole screen will be occupied. Because we already specified the percentage, we don't need to make any changes. Just change the percentage, then you can see the pictures becomes very bigger and they'll occupy the whole screen. So 60 may be more ideal, so I'll keep to 60. Save this. Now you can see that our pictures will be at 60. Because it all depends on the picture resolution. Resolution is good. If the picture resolution is very good, you can always make it bigger, no problem. But when the resolution is small, so if it's small pictures, looks good. So next is the contact us page. So it's almost like a about us page. So therefore I just save as about us to contact us. So I'll just go here. So here is about us, file menu. So save as. You have to save it as a contact. So now here you can write contact us. For your any query, please contact us at. So you can write on the address here. I'll say number. So here you can write on mobile number, phone numbers and all. So you can say mobiles. So save this. Okay. So now if I come back to this and if I say contact us, so you can see the contact us here. So you can use some H1 to H6 and then you can make them bold. It's possible. And this picture has to be changed. Then the whole thing is set. Now you can see that you have about us, products, gallery, and then contact us. Okay, let's change this picture. I'll take one contact us. So now the picture is changed for the contact us. This is about us, contact us, then gallery, products. Right, when I click home, so we'll come back to home page. So this is how easily you can able to build the whole website in a simple steps. Keep try this. In case you wish, you can able to download. So please check the description for more details. Thank you.